So this US oil analysis for Monday the 15th of October. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we've had prices encounter major resistance around that $75 barrel mark. We've had the pretty consistent sell-off all the way down towards the 70.79. Trade slide through the 70.79 all the way down towards that 70.50. Found support, had a rally beyond 71.50. Pulled back, held support in around that 70.79 on the retest, well, on the test of 70.79. Had this acceleration away, closing around 71.50. Had a gap up in the market, broke through the 72.39. Broke through the 72.39, weren't able to hold on to 32.39, had a pullback, closed the gap in around that 71.50, and we do appear to be breaking away from 71.50 at present. So if we do see this most recent bullish buy side momentum continue, as we can see we have a lows, higher lows still. This appears to be a third higher low. If we do have this bullish buy side momentum continue away from the 71.50, looking for another test of 72.39, successful break and hold, from which we'll be then looking for price head up towards our 72.88, 73.31. In around that 73.31, we do have the 400 period average does increase, like we're seeing sales momentum come into market from that level. But if we can navigate 73.31 in the coming days or so, we may even see price head up towards that $75 a barrel mark if we do see consistent bullish buy side momentum here to the upside. If, however, we do fail to hold this 71.50, we do see a breakdown, looking for a move back down towards a 70.79, successful break from which we'll be then targeting that 69.51. Looking at that 69.51, if there is sufficient volatility to the downside to bring us beyond 69.51, we'll be looking for price head down towards that 68.19 here on the US oil. What we'll do now is have a look here at the weekly chart, see how price is developing, get scaling here correct. So on this weekly chart, we can see pretty consistently we have been heading to the upside here on the US oil since pretty much 2017, even before 2017. Yeah, since 2017. More recently, we have had a greater degree of volatility, sharper pullbacks here on the US oil as we've headed higher. More recently, as we can see, we've rejected 76.66. We've had a pullback, had a bit of bullish buy side momentum. We are seeing another retest to see if we can sustain higher prices. But if we do see a breakdown, from where we are, further breakdown from where we are at present, again, we're looking around at 69.51 and beyond the 69.51 from a weekly chart perspective. We're looking for a move down towards that 64.75. We're looking for a move down towards that 64.75 if we do see great acceleration and momentum here to the downside and somewhat breaking this most immediate trend here to the upside. If we do continue to encounter some difficulty in around that $75 a barrel mark, maybe see that 64.75 tested if we do get a deeper retracement here on the US oil. But overall, it's pretty clear the trend has been to the upside and has been so for several months now on the US oil. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart before finally wrapping up. So on this daily chart, we can see we have our lows with higher lows. We've had a sharp acceleration momentum, breaking previous highs in around $75 a barrel mark. Tested 76.66, encountered difficulty around 76.66, brief pullback below 75, retested 75, weren't able to break away from that $75 a barrel mark. What we did instead see was a sell side momentum come back into the market, take us down towards the 70.79 at present. If we do break from there, from a daily chart perspective, we'll be looking for prices to head down towards that 68.19 before heading towards that 67.12, and then potentially eventually down towards that 64.75. So there are a few more levels to look at, especially that 68.19 and that 67.12 here on the US oil, if we are to see a continued breakdown in prices here on the US oil. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.